Hello everybody, it's General STUFIDO with General Stuff I Do. Okay, so, I'm sitting here thinking, oh wow, I guess we got to figure out ways to survive because it's so traumatic here. Look at this. Total confirmed cases, 1,094,000. Look how big their circles are. Like the whole country's got it. Wouldn't that be like 20 million there, you would think? There's 325 million people in America, right? And it's all read out. Okay, they're blowing this out of proportion, just like the media. I don't think it merits this much media, okay? What's happening is people are losing their jobs. So if they make, say, I don't know, $4,000 a month, they got $4,000 in bills, and they're down for, say, 3 months, 4 times 3, $12,000 in debt. They're going to lose their rent. They're going to lose their mortgage, get the house foreclosed on. They're going to lose their vehicles. They're going to get repossessed. They're going to be out in the streets. Okay? Is this 1 million confirmed, 58 million deaths? Is this real? So then you go to, again, October 2019, March 2020. Okay? How many people got the flu illnesses? 39 million to 55 million. Flu illnesses from October to March. 18 million flu medical visits, and yet they don't have respirators suddenly. Didn't those people need respirators? Hospitalized, 400,000 to 730. Look at this. 24,000 to 63,000 deaths due to the flu, and it's still going on. So, you got, what do we got here? Illnesses. Okay, flu illnesses. Okay, 39 million to 55 million. Nobody made a big deal out of it. Nobody said don't go to work. Nobody said stay at home. And yet, for 7.1 billion people, we got 1 million infected. Well, okay. It might hit. It might not. I don't know. I think we're good. But let's go check on, this is day 6 of the microgreens. And the peas are finally starting to come in. Look at that. That looks great. These are radish. This, let's see, what is this? This is basic salad mix. Not sure really what's in there. They just said basic salad. And this is the arugula. Right here, and I think here. But look at this nasty substance down here. Look at this. That smells bad. So I'm going to have to cut that out. Pick around it or something. But, the taste is amazing. But I got these little micro flies flying in around here. Look at that guy. All right. Well, now I got to go check on what's going on outside. Man, look at that. It's a dragonfly. I can hear somebody shooting a gun. That's nice. I like it out here in the country. Anyway, look at this apple tree. This is just astounding. 3 weeks ago, it was just a stick. Now it's got all these leaves. And so this morning, I went and pollinated some of these flowers right here with a Q-tip, and I hope that works. And I see I got a little peach coming in there. Yeah, I'm looking forward to the peaches. Let's go back here. I haven't seen the chickens in a few days, so I really don't know what's going on with those guys. Okay, let's see here. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? What is that? 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 Give me that. He's cool. Whoa! Alligators. Oh, man. Look at that. That's not good. I'm in construction. I slipped on many nails. I don't like that. Alrighty, let's see what we do. Oh, look at these guys. Oh, look at that. You're so big now. You guys are so big. Look at that. Look at you. You're getting so big, guys. Yeah. So after they get a little bit bigger, we're going to go get ankle bracelets with names on them. So we got to find some funny names for them. It's not like normal names. Look at you. Look at you. You're going to be pumping out eggs soon. How cool. 16 of these guys. And check this out. We got an automatic waterer. Kind of like a toilet. So it gets to a certain level and it refills itself with this hose. That thing was only like 40 bucks. We got it in the mail. That's amazing. Yeah, they're getting to be really big. Okay. All right. I gotta go see the dog here. Okay, wait. No. Stop. No. Come here. Ah. Give me that. Come on. Boy. Sit. Okay. Look at that. That's amazing. He's chewing up a 5-gallon bucket. Okay, well, I got the boys in there working on motorcycles, and they're making katana swords. Yeah, crazy stuff. And this is the kind of stuff we do. Let me see where they're at. Looking good. Making his own sword. Now he's making a sword. He's gonna start milling it down, taking out some material. Pretty cool. They cut that out of a blade for a scoop. We had a spare scoop blade for this. The one on the bottom here. So they cut it in half. Now they got 2 katanas they're making. How cool is that? Alrighty, well, this is General Stufido with General Stuff I Do, saying peace out. And if you like what's going on, hit that subscribe button and hit that like button. Alright, take it easy.